I was about to give a speech for, Tito Noy. And then, parang nakita ni Tito Bam na medyo nanenervyos ako. At saka, syempre, first time ko mag-speech sa Tarlac. So, nakita niya po. And, bigla na lang, he approached me. And then for parang a straight 30 minutes po, kinuusap niya ako, okay, Bim, don't be nervous ha. Parang advice kung paano mag-speech sa Tarlac. Don't be nervous ha, kaya mo to. As in, and that moment po, alam ko, medyo maliit na bagay po, pero para sa akin po, super big kasi di naman niya kailangan niyang gawin eh. No need naman eh. Pero he took the time to really take care of me during that moment po. So, ayan. That's the type of man na Tito Bam is, na di mo kailangan iyaya to do something good. Gagawin at gagawin niya po. Iboto niyo ho siya kasi mabuti po siyang tao. He's a really good man talaga po. He's a really, really good man po. Kaka-impress nga eh. Sabi ni Lord na He'll be here for you and everyone here po. Kasi iba talaga si Tito Bam eh. Hardworking, pogi, pero syempre naman po, mas pogi ako. Joke lang. Matalino, syempre. Pero ang number one feature po ni Tito Bam na ina-admire ko po talaga is his kindness. Kindness po talaga. Original goal niya po para sa Senado to become the voice of the youth po. So, maraming salamat po to the youth, to everyone, the titas, the lolas, everyone po talaga for supporting him. Salamat po talaga. Thank you po.